This is a man's job, okay?
Get me out! Get me out! Get me out!
No! Let me on! Let me on! Let me on! Good thing I wasn't at the end of the Titanic. Imagine I was at the end of Titanic. Move over, bitch! It just fucking breaks in half and sinks.
If I can't, no one can.
That would be so funny.
Move over, bitch!
Let go, Jack! Jack! Let the fuck go! No. I won't.
No. You know what year it is? Men are still more important at this year. Nice.
Okay,
Nice.
now what?
Now climb.
How do I climb?
You're a fucking dog. Figure it out.
You look like you're in prison getting strip searched.
How do I climb? I don't know.
Jack, let go!
Why did you jump back in?
I didn't mean to. I was trying to save you.
Oh, hi. Hey. I didn't know dogs could swim underwater this deep.
This stupid platform keeps moving, and I'm like trying to run forward, and then it just goes right up.
Miss Vixen, world record in Call of Duty, but cannot master 2 planks of wood in human fall flat.
The fuck up, Brian.
There you go, turn. There you go, grab this girthy.
Big jump. Big jump.
Big jump right there.
Try to grab his foot. Try to get. Oh.
Are you serious?
He just pops up. You're gonna have to take a new brand direction. Like you're committing to this dog character.
Fuck yeah, I don't care.
Okay. Yes.
Hey there, kids. I'm Rufus.
No, don't go that way.
It's okay. I'm gonna try something. Oh no!
Jump! Just jump!
Oh my! What?
Yeah, I got it. Yeah,
Nice.
Grab my ass, you show off.
Now we sit here and watch the dog fail for an hour and a half.
Content is exactly where I want it to be.
Okay, you know what, Brian? I'm letting go.
What the fuck was that?
What was that? Yang.
My effort.
Lene, say that again.
No! Not doing it. I'm gonna save it. Put it on your stupid soundboard. Okay, here we go.
We're gonna get it right
Arms
up to
up,
it.
arms up. Put your arms up and
Yeah.
jump. There you go. Now run and jump.
You gotta look. Yeah, there you go.
Jump!
Your child would be a lot better at swimming if you would take off that dog outfit. It's really weighing him down.
Oh.
Okay, now stay there. Stay.
I'm staying.
Stay.
Good girl.
Dog.
I hate you guys.
I'm gonna have to ask for yours and Brian's permission, but
Oh my god!
Don't touch my bitch!
Gosh, yeah.
we had that one.
Yes.
We had it!
Mid-roll.
Guys, this is step 2 of the obstacle course.
Okay, stay right there. Stay right there. Oh, yes, Evan, help!
Where's my hammer?
Oh boy, Evan, we don't have time for this.
Pull me
This is
up!
the second step.
Pull me up, you motherfucker!
Hey, just don't let go. Don't let
I'm
go.
not letting
I
go.
missed you. I missed you.
Shut bitch.
Brian's like, I'm getting over first.
Shut bitch.
Out of the way, bitch!
How you doing? How do my balls taste in your mouth?
Oh my god. This is a struggle. Let go of me, Brian!
Whose dog is that? Because we could just leave it behind, you know.
Now you're not attached to Brian.
Don't let go, Lene. Don't let go.
Your ass is in my face!
Go with me, Evan.
Oh, sorry.
Evan.
You guys are just pulling me.
Evan.
What? I'm safety. What?
You're
Okay,
not
let go.
safety.
Let go.
I got it. I let go. I let go.
No, no.
Gotcha, bitch.
I knew it. I'm just going to the checkpoint. I'm just going to the checkpoint.
Why? Oh, I hate you.
No, she's
Come on. Come here.
Struggle bus.
Don't
I'm getting up there.
Okay, good dog. Now just stay.
Yeah, that's it, Gromit.
Stay.
That's it. Just nudge her from behind. That's appropriate.
Oh my god.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
I got
We got to do this line out style right here.
Yeah, my son won't go outside unless he puts on that dog outfit. It's really unfortunate. What are you gonna do, right?
Help me up, Evan!
I'm not gonna fucking. This is. You're doing it. You're doing it all by yourself.
I fucking hate you.
Panos does this. He goes, he just leans over a little. You got it. You got it. Come on, you got it. That's it. Come on. Oh,
I hate you.
Okay.
Oh.
Your cheek sore?
Yes.
There you go.
Okay.
Now onto
No,
the big
hold
one.
on. Oh.
Oh god. Oh god.
That's good. No, that's good. Look how it is now. It's higher.
Okay, I'll take it. I'll take this one over there.
Get on that, Lene. Yeah, because someone's drowning to do this for you.
Fuck.
Again, world record in Call of Duty.
Shut the fuck up!
Maybe you should, take up, I don't know,
I've never
art
played
or
this.
something.
Okay.
Maybe video games aren't your thing.
Shut up. Shut up.
You shut up.
Shut up.
There you go. There you go.
There you go. You got it. You got it. Now lift.
Yes.
There you go.
Yeah.
Fuck you, Evan.
What?